Hello guys, so I've already arrived at my site. I was going somewhere for bed transformation and I have some company here. So you can see this is my today's company. Yeah, and these are my materials and this is my helmet. I usually travel using a motorbike because I usually go and do this transformation at clients' homes. So these are the materials that I'm going to be using in today's DIY. And then this is the bed that I'm going to be transforming. As you can see, it was I think it was leather, but it's turned off, as you can see. And these are the scenario. This is where I am. It was very cold, and this is the rest of the bed that I'm going to be transforming. So I'm just going to be showing you not step by step but clip by clip of the progress on how I'm going to be transforming this bed. I hope you'll enjoy the video. So now, after disassembling the bed, this is how it looks. I've removed the fabric. I've also removed the foam, and this is what I'm going to be working on. So it's not too bad. I'm just going to be nailing some plywoods on top of it and then level this part here, that top part there, because you can see the legs are a bit longer than the whole headboard. So I'm going to be leveling up that space there so that the whole headboard will be leveled, and then I'm going to be nailing some plywoods on top of it so that I can get a nice workable surface area and then start doing the transformation. So now this is the lower side of the bed. As you can see, I've just nailed that piece of wood there so that I can level out that part. You can see it had a design at the bottom of the lower side, and then also I've already added this piece of wood here just to level. You can see now it's kind of leveled, the whole frame is leveled. Also I've added this one at this part just to strengthen the frame, and also I've added that one at the top there to level out the whole frame. And I have those two pieces there. Those are for the design, and also for the design, mostly for the design, because I'm going to be nailing them at the side of the board of the headboard. Yeah, and that is basically how I have designed the frame of this DIY today, the bed that I'm going to be transforming. So I'm done with the framework. Now I'm going to be nailing these pieces of plywood on top of this headboard there. And then after that, I think I'm going to be starting the attaching the foam there, and then I go to the fabric part. So continue watching the video. I hope you are enjoying yourselves and getting some ideas from me. So guys, as you can see, I've already attached the foam into the frame, and I usually use contact glue for this work. Also the lower side I've already attached it, and I usually use this quick fix contact adhesive glue. So now I'm done with the foam part. The other part that I'm going to do is the fabric part, and my client decided to go with the black fabric. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this black fabric for the design, and I hope you are enjoying the video. Yeah, so now I guess I'm going to be starting with the fabric part because I'm done with the foam, attaching the foam. So yeah. So now guys, this is the progress. As you can see, I'm left with doing the final touches on this headboard and also making those sideboards, those ones. I'm going to be covering them with a foam and also with the same fabric, the black one, so that I can attach them on the sides of this headboard. And then for the lower side, I'm almost done, as you can see. Yeah, I'm almost done with the lower side of the bed, and the only part remaining is for me to cover this inner side of this lower side, and then I'm going to be covering also these sideboards for the bed, yeah, using the same fabric. And then I guess I'll be done with the transformation. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you just continuing liking the video. Let me cover this part here, also attach the sideboards there, and then I will show you the progress. So now guys, I'm almost done, 98% done, because I'm still gonna assemble the bed inside. And the headboard, I'm done with the front area of the headboard. As you can see how the design looks so amazing. Yeah, the only thing that I'm left with is covering the back of it, so that we can complete this transformation. A lot of you usually ask me to show you the back of the headboard, and yeah, I usually cover it, and I usually use this fabric, it's called lining, and I'm going to be covering the back of it using this lining, because if you see, the previous one was this color, but now I'm just going to be using this one to cover the back, and then show you how it will turn out. And then I'm going to show you the final reveal after assembling the bed.